So hey guys, this is the video how you install fin plugs on a Agave blank. It is in the end the normal standard process. So there are several templates or jigs that you can use from different companies. Everyone got his own style here, everyone got his own technique. The most important step is this right now, to measure the right distance between the edge of the rail and the plug. So this needs to be something like 1 inch, 2.5 centimeters, but it changes on the length or thickness or wideness of the board, but it's almost that measurement that everyone is using. So yeah, the distance between the fin plugs or the fin and the rail is the most important thing, and the same with the distance from the tail. That makes a lot, as more in the front it is more agile, more turnable. If you set them more in the back, it's more straight and locked. So yeah, find your right measurements here. You can also use the futures jig and the slide plate to cut the plug in. That's pretty easy, standard process. It's not too much difference between foam or the agave. Like on normal PU blanks, the stringer is 5 to 7 times more harder than the agave. So yeah, it sinks in really nice and gets cutted pretty well. And yeah, there's also this toe in, this the angle that the plug points to the nose. So there's a little change between thruster, twin, or the quad plugs, so the rear plugs. Yeah, in the end it's the same on foam. Sink in slowly, move it up and down on the future slide jig with a slide plate for the Makita router, and yeah, just turn it off or move it first up and then remove the router. Please don't just remove the router while it's drilling. You're gonna fuck up the fin plug cut. Yeah, the center plug is pretty easy. You just measure and draw the center line on the agave blank. You can measure between the 2 glue lines of the center pole. So we always have a center pole and there are 2 glue lines, and you can measure from that the center on, and then you just cut with a center plug router bit from futures. Yes, so that's it. That's pretty easy on the agave as well. Try to get everything nice, synchron and symmetric. Here we are gonna measure and paint or cut the leash plug on. Here we use as well a little template and to measure the plugs, to measure the center. And yeah, you can also use here different leash plugs. We use the futures leash plug right now, also the leash plug plate and jig. And yeah, with this it's super easy to cut the leash plug in. So yeah, that's it. We will also do some other videos for the universal fin plug or the FCS plugs, and yeah, you're ready to go. Cheers.